besties, welcome back to my channel. We are back like we never left, okay? And give a real back to that, but yeah, yeah, that's all I'm going to say. I think I'll take you through 2 days of my vlog, or what am I doing this weekend? I don't know, but today it's a Monday. Yeah, sana doing a little than you want to take videos for like a long time now. I don't know what to say. I feel weird. It was in the room, so I don't know why. Imagine if I was in public, because of our ways, but who cares? So color food, and I'll try to be more consistent. I don't know though if there's nothing going on, because vlogging, I feel like, well, you should be doing something. I like doing sit downs. Also, I do have things to say in terms of sit downs, but you guys don't interact, and instead you talk to me privately. Why do that? I challenge you to start commenting, okay? Don't send me anything privately. Whatever you were going to say to me privately, say it on the comment section, okay? Okay, yeah, otherwise it's good to be back. See you on my next clip. As always, I love you loads. Bye.
Hey guys, so I'll take you to work outside office. This is a reception up at Willows Resort. So that is the course that we could arrange on who's sleeping with. This is the conference center, the kitchen. I think they have 2 conference areas, and the kitchen and the offices. However, I won't be showing you the inside because by the time I got in, everyone was already gathered, and I'm trying to separate my work to personal life. Okay, so yeah. Now I was going to my room. I would highly recommend that one book at Willows because of the rooms are nice, they clean, and the service is quite good. This was actually which accommodates 5 people. Obviously, I took the main bedroom because I was the oldest, and I was sharing with 4 learners. But if you want to see the rooms, because the rooms are both their shares, they're different. Lena, really, I feel like they as in couches. But yeah, almost look comments but do check Willows Resort online. Yep. And the bathroom is quite small. Could at least some as a shushu because it's winter, so yeah. Give them a plus for that one. Yeah. Okay, nanzi from here. Okay, Kesama, polygamand. But now that it's winter, it was cold. Go to Ronda and Tiba Akaband. So, bengakwazi to hlala ngabantu heat, but day 1 was very cold, so I used the heat, and it's close to the ocean. When it's cold, it is cold, okay? But it is enjoy this space. Some cooking with the bed is nice and fresh. The linens are fresh. Okay, now this is the morning of the following day, which was Tuesday. I was heading out for breakfast. I think it was around 7. Yeah, I was heading out for breakfast because we had to do activities to do with the kids. But for now, just look at the view and quiet and let you enjoy. Okay. So this is the conference center. Now we're at the harbor, enjoying the whole cruise, which was really nice. All the way to the center, but it was nice. I had fun. Adrenaline, I got seasick for a bit. I don't know if it was because of this or the drive back to the Rocky shows, but if I kwam ku Rocky shows, I wasn't feeling well. I don't know if it was because of the boat and the speed that they were driving at, but it was something. Now we were at Rocky shows, which reminded me of the trip that we took at uni second year. Seeing the Rocky shows. Oh, I was so stressed out. I didn't understand what I was doing. Sorry, I didn't understand what I was doing. Okay, I was so stressed out. Oh, so last year when I was my first time going on Rocky shows for Ikembute, I was like, why am I doing this again? But I got over that. That was like years ago, so we're good now. We love Rocky shows again. We've healed from second year trauma of, I don't know, futhi bandini stress out. I think I was stressed out because I didn't understand what I was doing. And I said, by being prior, but okay, that's how I was back then. I was someone who was distracted in a routine too much. But since last year, I don't care. It's my son, I won't mind. I don't mind being taken out of the routine anymore. Like, unlike a couple of days ago. So I think it's a good thing actually. Oh, this CHN is before the other readings. This animal. Do you guys care? I hope you do. Because we love nature here, okay? So I'll put you guys in. Oh, Ndole and Papa and Yaskisan. But I'm like, oh, what is this? This is shit. Then I decided to capture it. Yeah. Oh, this was me. I think this was the day I was in yes. I asked someone to capture it. Like, can you please? But yeah. Oh, you know me and the views. Look at this. It's really nice. Hey guys. Sorry. It's really cute, but chances are tomorrow they don't want to. So I don't want to leave their house. So let's go to P&A and just came because I trees. Yo, Sana. What shows you how? It is about my Maybe it is. Let's go. Let's get that. See you on my next clip. So I was a little bit stressed when I was doing groceries from yesterday. That's why I couldn't like take clips in between. I only remembered when I was about to go pay. I'm like, oh, I want to vlog. But yeah, I did. Also did some haul. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys what I bought, and it is into like under 800 rand. I think it was. I bought a lot of things with a fair amount. I think, yeah. Unlike the first time. Remember, I'm not sure if Divers had a clip when I was complaining about the prices of green peppers and onions. I don't know if I've made peace with that, but answer color smoke. Yeah, answer colors a bit nana. It is what it is. And I do think I got a lot of things in 800 rand shame. So you guys must consider buying it Pick and Pay. Also, I must add bana any into bana. I mustn't just say it's cheaper or what. It depends on what you buy. Because I don't mind buying isn't a brand, home branded things. Yeah, I don't mind buying those. Because la pasta is a Pick and Pay. Milk Pick and Pay. So if you someone who likes who's loyal to a particular brand, I understand. So things might be a bit pricey for you. I don't know, but for me, I think the prices were fair. but ke bendiqala uthenga imayonnaise yase-Pick n Pay. I usually buy Nola or into leseglasini but u-2 it doesn't matter. Nizova ngam ubana imandi nala mayonnaise yase-Pick n Pay ngoba ezinye I feel like zivele zibe oily, but I trust Pick n Pay brand. So yeah. Oh, and I was lucky to get spices on sale. I think it was 25 rand. Easy to imagine that. I was so happy. Oh, another trick actually. I think you must buy your groceries towards month end. Please do like, comment, and subscribe. I highly appreciate you guys for taking your time, your data to watch my videos. I love you so much. Bye.